Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephany. Thank you so much for bringing your amazingness here to my channel. I am really excited that you're here with me. So for today's video, I actually have my Ipsy Glam bag unboxing or unbagging. So I really do hope that you guys like this video. We're just gonna jump right into it and get started. Okay, so here's the bag. I actually really like this bag. I am all about like the blue and like the evil eye. It looks really cute. I like the little sun. This says stay golden. So I really like the hint of blue. I just think it looks really pretty. So let's look inside of the bag. So the first thing that I see are some brushes. So these are MOTD Cosmetics. So there's 3 face brushes in there. Super excited for that. I always love getting brushes in my Ipsy bag. So they have a gold handle. This one says it's for bronzer. This one is for your cheeks. So I'm assuming for blush. And then this one is a sculpting brush, or like I guess for more bronzer, just to sculpt your face. So I think they're really pretty. You see they have like this really cute gold detailing, and oh, they're soft. So we're all about that here. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this back in here. I have to wash them before I use them. But here is the blush one, and here is the sculpting one. Okay, so I found the card. This says stay golden. This month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. So it's really cute. So it also is promoting Glam Bag X with Halsey. So that'll be next month, I think. Sorry, I think they're sweeping the street or something. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it, but if you do, that's what it is. So the next item is this Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution. This is SPF 30 Oil-Free Moisturizer. So I'm all about a good moisturizer, so we'll see. I've never been the biggest fan of Juice Beauty, but that's because I tried some other lip glosses, I remember, and I was wearing braces, and like it stained my clear braces, and like I was like that for, I want to say, a whole month before I went to go get my bands changed. So it was not very cute. Sorry guys if you guys can hear my niece talking in the background. She's here, and you know, she's just being a baby. So if you hear that, super sorry. But yeah, this is what the moisturizer looks like. So it's a pretty good size. I feel it'll probably last me like a good 2 months if I use it every day. The next item that is in here is a Hanali or Hanali lip treatment in sand. I'm not sure how you pronounce that exactly, but yeah, it's in the color sand. Cruelty free, which is always a good thing. We love that bunny. So here's what the lip treatment looks like. It's just in a tube. I'm assuming it's tinted. It's actually a really thick tube. Like, it's not like a squishy tube. So yeah. Yeah, it is tinted, so. Ooh, she's really thick. Ooh. So yeah, really thick lip treatment. Of course, it's a lip treatment. It would be thicker than usual, but yeah, it's really nice. I feel like that overnight or just in the morning, like while you're doing your makeup, that would be fantastic. The next item that I received is this little oil here. Let me see. I can open this. Okay, so here it is. This is the Dermadeli Citrus Gold Oil. Stimulates cells and stimulates stimulates cells and enhances radiant skin. So it has little gold specks, and it does have the bunny, so this is cruelty free as well. Isn't that beautiful? Okay guys, last item that is in here. This is a Hip Dot. This is by Hip Dot Sun Goddess 4-Shade Face Palette. You're a sun goddess even if you haven't spent time in the sun lately. Create the ultimate sun-kissed with these 4 highlight blush shades in a soft blendable formula. Ooh, this looks really pretty. This is also cruelty free. Oh, and it's PTA vegan. Okay, cool. PTA. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I love the packaging of this. I love this shade of pink, and I'm all about like the sun and the moon lately. Oh, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous packaging, honestly. Okay. So this is what the palette looks like. Oh, like I'm telling you, it looks so beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead, open this up. Oh, Guys, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Ooh, that is beautiful. I love this color here and this one here and then this one. I'm not the biggest fan of this. This kind of reminds me of like a moon shade color. Like I feel like it would be called moon or something. But that is really pretty, like moon dust or something, right? But these over here, oh, they remind me of like a sunset. And like I'm living for this color as a blush. So cannot wait to try that out. So this is Sunbeam, which like I said reminds me of the sun. This is Golden Arrow, which is perfect, you know, just when the sun hits you correctly at the right time of the day. And then this is Radiance, and then this is Sheer. So that is beautiful. I'm assuming these two are, I think actually these two are the blushes, and then these two are highlighters. But I feel like you can use any of them for whatever you want to use them for. So really, really beautiful. Okay guys, so overall I feel like this by far was my favorite product, and then the brushes for sure. I feel like they look so beautiful. Oh, can you imagine applying this with these brushes? It's just beautiful, like I can't even. And then I love the gold, and I can see how they were like really bringing in that, like the whole golden hour thing, at least for my bag. So I definitely see that. And then, you know, the sun to moisturize your face if you're gonna be out, and then some little lip treatment that's like a nice like nude shade, I feel, just to make your lips look super kissable, super glossy. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. I really do hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumb up. If you guys enjoyed me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. Let's be friends. Let's talk makeup. Let's talk fashion. And let's just talk about life in general. So I really do hope that I get to see your beautiful face in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.
But we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just